Welcome back. I hope you have a great day and making it beautiful one for you. In this video we will talk about how to move the location of any software or game in Windows 11. Let's suppose if you have installed any game or software from Microsoft Store, it will by default install you in your Windows partition or local C. Let me show you. So every program by default its location is in local C when you install a game or software, so it is by default installed in local C. But what I want to change the location. I want to move it from one partition to another partition. Let's suppose I have installed this as part 8 airborne game from Microsoft Store. Now I want to move this from my local C to local D. I want to change its location. So you might be asked that why you are moving your location, why it is important. So we will talk about it later. But first of all, what you need to do, simply go to setting, press Windows and I on the keyboard, and then go to apps on the left side, left pane, go to apps, then go to installed apps. From here you can search for Asphalt 8 or whatever program you want to move. So in my case I got, so it is on the third side. Now after that, what you need to do, from the right side you can see 3 dots, click on that. From here you will find the move option, click on that. So it is asking you that in which partition you want to move it. You can choose the partition. In my case there are 3 partition, in your case this can be different. So I have only 3 partition. So as you can see I have only these 3 partitions, that's why. So now, and once you have selected your partition, simply click on move. It will take a time, depend on your program size. So lesser size program take small time and bigger size program take more time. So I have already moved it to my local D, so I will don't move it now. As you can see, this app is currently installed in local D. I have already moved it from local C to local D. Once you have moved your program or game location or software location, now the question is that will it work properly? Let me show you. If I play this game, so you can see my game work properly even after I have changed my program location. Second thing is that, now the second question is that if we change any program, software or game location from local C to another partition, let's suppose I have changed my game location from local C to local D. So if I reinstall my Windows 11 or I install a fresh window, will it work? So the answer is that I have searched a lot, I have tried a lot, but I did not found any .exe file that I can run this game again. What I have do, after changing my location, after changing the location of my game, I have reinstalled Windows 11 and then I checked these folders, but here I have tried a lot, I have searched a lot, I did not find any .exe file that I can run the game again. So you can do your own research, and if you find a way that if you can find .exe file after reinstalling the window, so let me know down below in the comment. I will be excited. So that's it. The question is that why it is important. Some people wants to free up their local C drive or Windows partition. That's why they want to move the programs or the bigger size program to another partition. So that is the reason, I think. I hope this helps you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like, and so don't forget to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. Thank you for watching.